Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dad, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. If there was one thing I wanted in life, it would be living a lifestyle that is extravagant and over the top. How about the Corleone family? How about living in the capital of Pan Am in the Hunger Games? How about being in Crazy Rich Asians and living that kind of lifestyle? I hope to be one of those people one day, but realistically, it will take a while for this to happen, or more likely, will never happen at all. So, today I want to share how I would live like a millionaire on a low budget because that seems more achievable. The secret is in all the points and the deals, so shh. In this video, I want to tell you some of the cheap things I do so that it feels like I'm living the millionaire life. What I'm about to talk about is the very essence of Daddy Dad, that I'm just an everyday dad working and budgeting hard to stay out of debt. Then, using that money to strategically invest it in the stock market and buy houses in the real estate market. Now, I run a side company that manages over $3 million in properties, live in a 2,000 square feet, travel the world with my wife every year. If this sounds like something you want, make sure you smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section below what your journey is. So, let's get to my first thing that I would do to live like a millionaire. The first hack is from Starbucks. Did you know that you can hack some of your favorite drinks for 50 stars at Starbucks? This is something that I really got into recently. You can make this pumpkin spice chai latte cafe misto style using only 50 stars. This is a great hack so that instead of using 150 stars on a premium drink, you can make this drink for 50 stars by ordering a cafe misto. You will need to add coconut with whipped cream, 4 pumps of mocha sauce, 4 pumps of toffee nut syrup, smoked sea salt topping, caramel drizzle, and 3 shots of espresso. This recipe would normally cost you $9.68, but with 50 stars, you can get this drink that tastes exactly like a pumpkin spice chai latte. How great is that? My favorite personal drink is the white chocolate mocha. What my recipe calls for is a splash of heavy cream, 2 pumps of white chocolate mocha sauce, 5 pumps of vanilla syrup, mocha drizzle, and chocolate curls with light whipped cream, and 3 shots of espresso. That tastes exactly like a white chocolate mocha. The next low budget tip is using weekly food deals. One of the things I love to do when it comes to food is to treat myself to eating out. However, the frugal part of me doesn't want to pay full price, and so depending on which day it is, I have somewhere I want to go for food. There is a food discount somewhere for each day of the week. So depending on the day, I will just have to go there for food. Monday is Hawaiian pizza of the day at Pizza Hut. I'm so hungry right now. You can get a medium pizza for $10 or a large pizza for $13. It's a quick and easy meal that I can take home. It's super delicious and it's one of my favorite things to do. Tuesday is Pasta Tuesday at Boston Pizza. You can get one of their gourmet pastas for $12.99. Normally, on a regular day, they charge up to $18 to $19 for a pasta. There is enough leftovers for 2 or 3 meals. I love Pasta Tuesdays, and they're super delicious. Wednesday is wing night at our local pub. They have some very unique flavors. My favorite of all time is the whiskey barbecue. It's also a great place to hang out with friends and family. They have TVs there for sports games, and it's a super relaxing atmosphere. On Thursday, Kentucky Fried Chicken has a Thursday special of 10 pieces of dark chicken and a medium fries for only $14.99. KFC is another quick and delicious dinner which we love so much. It's tough to find something for Friday and Saturday, so unfortunately, if we do want to eat out, it'll be full price or we just find coupons to eat for cheap. Some of the things I love to eat is Vietnamese noodles, or sushi happy hour, or all you can eat Korean barbecue. Mmm, sounds so delicious again. Then, Sunday is back to our favorite pub for wing night if we're too lazy to cook and just need a day to relax. Eating like a millionaire, paying like you're on a budget. The best way to go. The next way to live like a millionaire on a budget is using frequent flyer programs. I love these frequent flyer programs. My personal favorites are Air Miles and Aeroplan. For Air Miles, they do this thing called Shop the Block. I need to spend at 5 participating locations, and then I get a bonus 500 miles. Those are the times when you would shop for Air Miles. So these opportunities are definitely worth spending a little bit more for. After all that saving, I finally got a free flight to Las Vegas last year for 4,000 miles. So it's definitely worth it, especially when I'm already shopping at those places anyways. Other great ways to get frequent flyer rewards is getting a credit card that gives you flyer points. Make sure you pick a program that matches where you spend. One of my favorite cards is this Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. What I really like about this credit card is that you can do a one-to-one transfer of your points to any of their partner programs. If only Air Miles was one of those partners, I would have totally switched and done it by now. Unfortunately, my bank also only provides a few options for their free card. Therefore, I wasn't able to get that one. My next tip is to use health insurance on luxury treatments. Do you like spa days? Well, I sure do. Make sure you check out with your insurance company to see if they provide an amount for massage therapists. Some insurance companies require a doctor's prescription, but most doctors will write it anyways, so you don't have to worry about that. It is more likely, however, that the insurance company doesn't need the prescription. Just make sure that when you go to a massage therapist that they are registered and will give you a therapist number. I have been to places like cruise spa days. It felt so good to get a massage in a lounge area that overlooked the ocean. It is one of my best experiences. How about having a massage at a retreat in a resort? Those are super fun, especially when I combine it with the ski day. Sometimes it's nice to go to a premium spa that is otherwise too expensive. It's just nice to go to one of those once in a while because of the atmosphere I get. The comfort is higher, and not only that, I get a parting gift that allows me to show off. It's a great experience, and I highly recommend using health benefits to do that. The next thing that you might not know about from your insurance provider is that they might offer you a wellness amount. This wellness amount can go towards gym memberships or even wellness equipment like gym equipment, or a new computer. Make sure to check your health insurance and take advantage of your health benefits and feel like a millionaire right away. The last thing is to never buy at full price. This way of thinking is one of the best ways to live like a millionaire. 2 things that you must do. First, don't be picky. And second, wait for discounts. Coupons allow you to purchase only specific things, but in the right time, there are some amazing discounts. Like this, 2 can dine for $13.99 at A&W. 2 team burgers, 2 fries, and 2 drinks. Okay, I'm sure there are way better coupons than burgers. The lesson of don't be picky is that maybe instead of wanting the Papa Burger, selling for the team burger with this coupon should be the new way of thinking. There were so many times in my 20s when it was only a buy one, get one free burger coupon, and I was like, I don't want to use it because it doesn't come with fries. How ridiculous was I? If I wanted fries at that time so badly, I should have just went with another fast food chain who had coupons that included fries. The next thing I would do is I would shop around in a lot of these off-price department stores like Marshall's, HomeSense, and Saks Off Fifth. I go to these stores once a month just to see what kind of brand name items there are for less. Most of the time, I walk in there with an idea of what I want to buy, and if there is something close, I would pick it up. You can most of the time pick up a trendy dress shirt for $30 or $40. The second thing to do is wait for discounts. Like I said before, never buy anything at full price. Waiting for something to be at a good price is always the best idea. Places like Watch Station can have up to 80% off on things. Calvin Klein can go up to 70% off on most of their things. The selection of the discount rack might now be the best. Combining it with the idea of don't be picky is the way to go. Like, check out this Chloe luxury bag. It costs $1,800 and I was able to buy for $900 from Nordstrom because I waited for a sale. I was amazed at this deal, and patience is truly key if there was anything I learned from it. Another discount and method that you can try using is Groupon. Groupon gets you discounts where Groupon mass purchases a large number of items and forwards the saving to you. There are some pretty good experiences you can get out of Groupon, like spas. At this place, you can literally get 4 treatments for $330. That's around $90 per treatment. And if you combine it with your health insurance, it is like free. Such a good deal. Or you can go on a hot balloon experience. And trust me, it looks and sounds so romantic to float away in a hot air balloon. This is something I went on, and it is such a worthwhile experience. And yes, it's everything you expect if you watch The Bachelor.
Just super romantic.
So smooth, hey?
Yeah.
So good. Look at this place.
There are so many items out there on Groupon at such good prices. Using coupons and discounts is part of accumulating wealth of the Ash method. If you want to know more about it, make sure you check out this video. If you have any good ideas on how to live like a millionaire on a budget, please let me know and share them with me on the Daddy Dad Facebook group. You can also continue the conversation by commenting below. For now, these are all the tips on how I would live like a millionaire on a budget. If you would like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, And be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.